Hey everyone, Kat here with Martini Piggy, and today we are going to make this Mocha Raz Martini. Don't let the color of this cocktail fool you. It tastes very similar to our Raspberry Truffle Martini, but without the creamy consistency. So if you like your drinks that are more on the sweeter side, then this is a recipe you'll definitely want to try. It includes raspberry vodka, Kahlúa, Créme de Cacao, and chocolate syrup around the rim. So check out this how-to video, and here we go. It's time to get jiggy with the piggy.